Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh here with another video about Builderall. I'm just going to show you some things I've been working on. I've been taking my time with this because I want to keep it, whether there's someone signing up with it or not. This is something that I want to use. There are some new improvements coming. There are some new features that are coming. So I've been sticking with it. I did have to create another account a few weeks ago. So I've actually been working on some pages. The other pages that I had actually got deleted. So I'm not worried about that, but I'm going to just go over to a couple of my sites that I activated already. This is really clean. To me, it's something that's simple to use. I like some of the features you get. Like you can see, a person just signed up 2 hours ago. Proof, this is one of my favorite features, is you get the proof plugin, so, or a plugin that's like proof. So several hours ago, but let me go ahead and click off that. I wanted to go over to my Exodus Elite page, which would be right here. So all your pages have SSL lock, so you don't have to pay for that. It allows your page to be safe when people visit your website. So that's one of the great things about this as well. So some people look at my page and say, hey, I want a page just like that. So I can actually duplicate the page. They can edit it, or I can edit it for them. So just got another sale through this. This is for Exodus Elite. Everything is clean. There's a short video here that will explain to them exactly how the compensation plan works. This is for people that are looking to make instant cash payments. That's all I stick to for the most part, is instant cash payments, unless there's a tool that I really like that I don't care about sharing. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. Just go through the page. This right here, I actually used a template and just placed in the things that I wanted. So this is very easy to use. All right, so you can see right here I give away a lot of bonuses to people. All right, and I want to go ahead and close that because I want to go over to my Builderall page. Now, I don't have a capture page connected to my Builderall page yet because I don't plan on people signing up with this just for the money aspect. I plan on sharing this with people that can use the tools and will keep this whether they get sales or not. So a lot of people join these programs because they just want to make fast cash. They don't even care about the products. Builderall offers you a very, or should I say, Builderall offers you a lot of tools and products that you can use to build any business. So this is my Builderall site. I want to share with you guys how everything is connected. So it's really simple. All right, and I can share these templates with you guys as well. This template is not something that Builderall gives you, of course. This is just something that I went and created, and I have to share it with my team members pretty much by duplicating it. Okay, so this is very clean. I want to go over to take a peek. This is what I like about this, is I swapped out my affiliate numbers, and I'm able to get everything to track back to me if a person gets started. So let's say they got started in the 7-day trial. Okay, they can sign up, take advantage of the 7-day trial. They can also take advantage of the 30 days money back as well. So everything is linked over to me. I'm gonna go over to take a peek. So this is one of the things I like about this as well, is all my links are in here. Let's go to take a peek, and all of this stuff is already created for them to see the tools. Now everything is not going to be added on here because they do have a lot of things that are coming to Builderall within the next couple of weeks. So they can get all the details right here. They can start their free trial. They can take a look at what Builderall has to offer. Create capture pages or websites, landing pages, sales funnels, autoresponder, Okay, and they can click on these things and learn more about that. So let's say the drag and drop site builder, they wanted more information. All that is right there. They can build a website in 7 minutes. All right, so ready to use sales funnel. They can learn more about that. All right, let's go down to professional email marketing. They can learn more about that. And all this stuff is there for them to learn. They can do browser notifications demo. All right, all the demos are there for them to learn, and they can start a free trial. So design studio, mock-ups, all that information is right there. So any information that they want, they can get it right there. Now, when they're ready to start, they can go ahead and click on there and get a free trial, sales funnel, autoresponder. Now, this is something that's pretty cool as well. Let's say create a free trial. Let's say they wanted to exit this, or they were here. Let's say that exit pop is tracked to me as well. So people that sign up with this, they can get the same funnel. They can get these same links and add them to a page that they create and have it lead back to them. So let's say get a free tool. They want to click on to get a free tool or something like that. It's going to lead back over to give me credit for it, for me to get paid on it. All right, so for you guys out there that are looking for something that's easy to use, alternative to like ClickFunnels or something like that, this right here is it for a fraction of the cost. Okay, for $1 a day, about $1 a day, $29.99 if you want all the tools. And then if you want it to be an affiliate with it, like I am, then you can pay $49.90 per month. Okay, that's a small cost to get everything that you get inside of Builderall. I don't want you guys to take my word for it. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at the free trial so you can get back here and see everything that they offer. So they're having SMS blaster coming. They're changing everything to where it's pretty much drag and drop, to where you can just put things in place to where you don't even have to do any serious editing. You just let the system know exactly how you want things to work. So be on the lookout for that. So if you guys are interested, definitely click on the link in the description below so you can get over to this page. Take a look around, take your time. Look at everything that Builderall has to offer. I mean, I can't go through every single thing that Builderall offers because it's just so much stuff that you get for that small cost. Take advantage of the $9.90 for everything inside of here. You get to pay $29.90 per month, or you can pay the $49.90 and be an affiliate and take advantage of the 2-tier commissions that you actually get with this. All right, so that's my time. If you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video for me. Click on the link in the description to get the full details. And until the next video, you guys, make it a great day.